Welcome to our channel. If you want to opt out of private DNS settings when accessing College Board services, follow these step-by-step instructions to adjust your network configuration. Step 1. Understand that private DNS is a device-level setting, not a College Board setting. It affects how your device resolves domain names for all websites and services, including College Board. Step 2. If you're experiencing issues accessing College Board websites due to private DNS, you may need to disable this feature temporarily on your device. Step 3. On an Android device, open the Settings app and navigate to Network and Internet, or Connections, depending on your device manufacturer. Step 4. Tap on Private DNS, or look for it under Advanced Network Settings. Step 5. Select Off or Automatic instead of Private DNS Provider Hostname to disable custom private DNS settings. Step 6. Confirm the change and restart your browser to see if College Board services are now accessible. Step 7. On iPhone or iPad, private DNS settings are managed differently. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, and tap the information icon next to your connected network. Step 8. Scroll down to Configure DNS and select Automatic instead of Manual to use default DNS settings. Step 9. After changing DNS settings, test access to College Board by visiting collegeboard.org or your specific service like AP registration or say T-score viewing. Step 10. If issues persist, contact your network administrator or College Board technical support for additional assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.